Hi guys, thank you for coming to my channel. As you can see, I'm just kind of having fun with this flat twist that I did a couple of days ago and wanted to see how it turned out, so I decided to record just a very quick video. So I just did some flat twists in the front and in the back, and 2 days later I took them down and the results were pretty good. I used my main choice daily moisturizer, and I used the belly cream, the belly oil that I used to take it down, and that's basically it. I didn't even use perm rods at the end. I just kind of let them dry in front of one of the portable heaters that I have in the house, since the temps are kind of dipping a little low, so I took advantage of it instead of a hooded dryer. Let me know what you think, guys. Comment below. In this next segment, I'm looking at my skin and I'm saying, if you guys have any advice of what I can use to remove the dark spots, please leave it below. As you can see, I am on a skin journey, but during this pregnancy, I did have a rough time. In the beginning, currently, I do not have any active acne, just these marks that I'm trying to clear up. So if you have any advice on what I should use naturally, please leave it below. Again, thanks for watching. Bye.